full honesty, ba. Sometimes I feel like shit. I'll always be like, guy, are you sure I won't be remembered as a stupid person? But I was the darkness. I was the darkness. Maybe not the dopamine correction from abstinence. Maybe not him. Or maybe not just reality, because guy, all this shit what they do, guy. I know even the see fucking movement, guy. Medical practitioner get like 70 something streams. You know what I mean? Like over close to a month, 7 something streams. You get me? Like, what the fuck am I doing? I don't even feel like I am likable. Appreciate the people who like me, where they tell me say they like me, but you know what I'm saying? I just also sick tunes. Yo, go no past my boo guy, go release that song, guy. I know they waste verse. I know they do open verses. You've not seen me do any open verses for anybody. Go release that shit, guy. Go release that thing. No add to my fucking sadness, guy. Fuck. Go no past my boo.